Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an initiating coverage. Our analyst builds up a positive viewpoint on landmark cars and expect an upside potential of 23% on the likelihood of a rise in penetration of luxury cars in domestic market, wider addressable market and rise in aspirational population along with increase in per capita income. Landmark car is a key proxy to play on the rise in the domestic premium car segment. Stock trades at price to equity multiple of 21.1 times and an EV by EBITDA multiple of 9.3 times its FY26 estimates. Next we cover Tata Consumers. Tata Consumer posted strong performance in Q4 with revenues growing by 9%, while higher than expected operating margin at 16% led to 40% growth in the adjusted profit after tax. Results were better than expected for large peers in Q4. Premiumization is working well in foods and beverages. Navisho, Tata Sampann and Premium Salt will continue to grow in strong double digits. The company paid dividend of Rs 7.5 per share for FY24. The stock trades at 65 times its FY25 and 55 times its FY26 estimated earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.